Sa matagal na panahon, sa ibang bansa madalas bumibili ang Pilipinas ng mga gamit pang militar. Pero ngayon, dahil sa bagong batas na Self-Reliant Defense Booster Program Revitalization Act na pinirmahan kanina ng Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, lilikhanan ng sariling defense industry ang Pilipinas.
It's a logical move forward for a country that finds itself at the fulcrum of geopolitical shifts and volatilities.
Sa ilalim ng batas, mas papaboran na ng gobyerno ang pagbili ng gamit pang militar mula sa local supplier. Bibigyang insentibo ang mga gumagawa ng armas at iba pang defense equipment para maengganyo silang magtayo ng paggawaan dito sa Pilipinas.
To the private sector, it is an invitation to build an enduring defense industry. To our esteemed research institutions, let your innovations shape our future and propel us towards self-reliance. To our armed forces, understand this. We pledge that the Filipino soldier will be bolstered by the ingenuity and the expertise of the Filipino innovators.
Ikinatuwa ito ng militar. Matagal na raw nilang inaantay ang batas na ito.
Matagal na tayong gumagawa ng sarili nating baril, sarili nating bala, sarili nating mga radyo. We even manufactured our own rockets. Tawag natin noon, bongbong rocket. Pero nawala ito, nawala. We are given hope na magiging maganda yung defense industry natin, and therefore we will be able to modernize our armed forces more effectively and faster.
Ipinagbabawal naman sa batas na ibenta ang mga gawang Pinas na armas sa mga private sector. Pang-militar lang kasi ang gamit nito.
This guarantees that the weapons, the equipment, and technologies that we build will never be turned against the very people that they were designed to protect.